Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to crop and record only a specific area of your screen in OBS Studio. If you only want to record part of your display instead of the entire screen, OBS Studio makes it easy. I will also show you how to remove the black bars after cropping. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio. Make sure you are using the latest version of OBS Studio so you can follow this tutorial with the same interface. If needed, update OBS first. Under the Sources panel, click the plus button. Choose Display Capture. Create a new display capture source. Select the monitor you want to capture. Then click OK. If you already have another display capture source, hide or remove it so only the new one is visible. Now select your display capture source. Press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding Alt, drag one of the red edges inward. This crops that side of the screen. Repeat the same step for the other sides until only the area you want to record is visible. If you don't hold the Alt key, OBS will simply resize the source instead of cropping it. After cropping, you will notice black bars around the image. To remove them, right-click the crop display capture source. Select Transform. Then click Fit to Screen. If you want the cropped area to fill the entire canvas, right-click the source again. Select Transform. Then choose Stretch to Screen. This removes the black bars by stretching the cropped area to fill the entire canvas. If you need more precise control, right-click your display capture source again. Select Transform. Then click Edit Transform. Under the crop section, enter the number of pixels you want to crop from the left, top, right or bottom. As you make changes, you will see the preview update automatically. Once you are happy with the result, click Close. Now click Start Recording. Everything inside the cropped area will be recorded, while everything outside it will be exploded. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to crop and record only a specific area of your screen in OBS Studio without black bars. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.